Hey guys, this is Monster Jam Top Dog, and this is the field trucks for Siren Series 1465. Here we go. The Chocolate Drive, you're in Megarex. I'm in Gravedigger. Jackson Davis, you're in Georgia. And Kane James TV, you're in Vampire, Great Clip, Small Quarter. The Versa trucks, you can choose from Dragon, Mastama, Wildfire, Glaze Machine, Silver Series Dragon, Sun Impact, Max D, Nitro Max D, Spin Master Zombie, Gunslinger and Tough Enough, Horsepower, Lucas Stabilizer, 2 Monsters Twice Storm, FS1 Cletus, Maximum Destruction, Galaxy Zombie, Monster Might, Bumebusters, Metal Militia, Gear Stone Digger, Batting Shots Fast, Toro Local, Silver Series Max D, Indiana Police, and Rage. That's it. See you guys later. Bye.